In this video, we'll be looking at this JingleMiner BTC solo lottery monitor that the brand sent me to check out. This is essentially a very tiny Bitcoin lottery machine. It also serves as a monitor for current crypto prices, and you can link it to other JingleMiners you may have in your house so you can view all the stats and everything on this screen here. So it's basically a very cool crypto desk toy. It's going to show you a bunch of information, while also giving you a real chance to solve a Bitcoin block every 10 minutes. And this is just a box that it comes in. We have a nice JingleMiner sticker on the front, just kind of a hard plastic here, and it says some information on the bottom as well. But we'll just go ahead and open it up here. So on the top, we have the user manual, as well as the specifications and features and all that. And this does operate at 520 kilohashes per second while only using 1 watt. So even if I kept this plugged in all the time, it would use about $2 of electricity per year. So it's a very low power miner, but of course at the same time, it's going to be a low hash rate as well. So this is what it looks like. It is kind of 3D printed almost. We have a nice sort of solid plastic all around, JingleMiner on the front here. Then on the back, we have where the USB-C goes. And then we have buttons for turning it on and resetting it as well. So yeah, just kind of what it looks like overall. It doesn't have any fans or anything built into it, but it's going to be pretty resistant plastic is what it says on the website. So this should run without issues at both fairly cold and fairly warm temperatures. The only other thing in the box here is the USB-C cable. It's going to be a USB-A to USB-C cable, of course, for plugging in the device and powering it. Alright, so when you first connect it to power, this is the screen you'll be presented with. It does have Wi-Fi built into it, so you'll first have to set that up. This is the screen you'll be presented with when you scan that QR code, so we can just go ahead and configure the Wi-Fi here. And just like that, we have it connected. So you can see the current hash rate. It's actually above 520 right now. It says about like 540. That's running around 540,000 hashes per second. And you can see the number of submitted shares, the best difficulty, block templates, and how many hashes it's done. And this is of course just a monitor into the actual device itself. We can customize the screen later on, but this is going to be showing you its hash rate and attempts and all that. As I mentioned, this is basically a tiny lottery machine because it is a solo miner. So it will either solve the whole block on its own or solve nothing at all. There's no splitting it or getting a partial block or any of that. You either get the whole thing or nothing at all. So at the time of recording, that's 3.125 Bitcoin if you solve the whole block. Of course, that's a good thing about it. If you solve the whole block, you get all of it. But of course, your odds with this device are astronomically low. It's like 1 in 1.5 quadrillion. So your odds of winning the actual lottery would be much more likely. Hopefully that's not why you're buying this device because it's probably not going to make you any money. There's of course a very, very, very tiny chance, but you would need, in theory, thousands and thousands of lifetimes to actually make any money with this thing. The real reason you'll be buying this is for this monitor on the front. It's going to show you a bunch of information related to cryptocurrency. And I think for someone that's not familiar with it, it gives you kind of a good foot in the door as well. If you want to learn about hash rate and blocks and all those sort of things, you can get something like this which teaches you a lot about it in a very low cost way. That's going to be low cost both in terms of the device itself, which costs only $40, and in terms of the electricity use. It only runs at 1 watt, which as I said is going to be around $2 of electricity per year. So basically nothing. The only cost is going to be that $40 for this actual display here. Again, you're going to be buying it as a display, but again, around every 10 minutes, there is a very, 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 very small chance that you will win 3.125 Bitcoin with it. So that's how I would think about this device. It's a monitor with a very small chance on the back end, but you should only be buying it if you want to use it as a monitor. So far, what we've been looking at are the stats for the actual miner itself, but if we push this button on the back, it will show the current prices of other currencies we choose. So right now we have BTC, ETH, and SOL on here. It will still show the current hash rate of this current device, but it will of course display these other prices as well. And we can customize all that on the web here. All you have to do is actually enter this IP address. Of course, I'm covering it right now, but you enter that IP address into your web browser. That will allow you directly to connect with the miner here. And then you can of course customize everything that it's displaying. So that's really cool. I didn't have to create any account or give them any password or anything like that. All I had to do was just type in that IP address, and now I have access to the currency as well. And if I want to change what cryptocurrencies are displayed here, I can of course just go into the web browser here. I will deselect SOL, for example, select Doge instead. So you can see it updating. Now you see that updated here. So now we have Doge, Ethereum, and Bitcoin all on the screen here, so it's that easy to customize it. And you can select anywhere between 3 and 12 cryptocurrencies to display the prices of. It is only able to display 3 on the screen at any given time, but you can set the interval with how often it switches. So I have it set to every 60 seconds. So every 60 seconds, it will show me a new batch of 3. Of course, up to the maximum total of 12. This makes it a lot more interesting for sitting on your desk. You're not just monitoring the same 3 cryptocurrencies all the time. You can actually do up to 12, which makes it just a little bit more interesting and a little bit more dynamic. And another cool thing about this device is it does give you access to the JingleMiner network. So as you can see, I can actually review this device as well as my other ones if I potentially have other mining devices. I can view like the current hash rate, the overall hash rate across all my devices and all that just on the website. So of course I'd be able to view that remotely as well, which is cool. If I go into details here, again, I can see the current hash rate of this specific device, the number of accepted shares, the number of rejected shares, reject ratio, best difficulty, and all that. So a bunch of information. And again, that's going to be across all of your JingleMiner devices if you have several different ones connected. And through this site, you can also do a bunch of different other things to kind of customize your device. So you can do firmware updates through here. You can do custom performance tuning, precision hash rate tracking, and all those sort of things. So a bunch of customization and such. You will have to physically plug your device into your computer to be able to control all that. So that part is not going to be remote, but it is nice to be able to customize all that if you want to. They also provide some nice, interesting pages that I think are especially good for beginners. So we can look at this profitability page, for example. You can look at all the specific miners, kind of their daily net profit, ROI. You can estimate your electricity rate, and all those sort of things. So you can just kind of get an idea depending on the currency, the miner, and all that, sort of what that profitability would look like. Again, the one we're looking at today is a lottery miner, so the net profit is probably going to be 0 almost every time. But it's interesting to kind of look more at other miners and sort of get an idea of how the whole system works. Similar to that, there's also the solo mining page as well. So this gives you a bunch of information about just what solo mining is, what a block reward is, startup costs, all those sort of things. I've talked a bit about that throughout this video, but this is a nice guide to kind of help you get into it. And these 2 pages, as well as the whole Jingle Mining Academy, are accessible to anyone. You don't need to have one of their miners to actually read all this content, so it is nice that they provide all this for free. So I think that about covers it for this BTC solo lottery monitor from JingleMiner. I think it's definitely a pretty unique device overall. I would say it's a great way to get people into cryptocurrency if they don't know much about it, or they're just kind of curious about it without wanting to invest too much. I think it's also a really unique gift for someone who's already into cryptocurrency, because of course you can display all the different prices and kind of have this sitting on your desk without really paying much in electricity, and have a nice easy window into current crypto prices, but at the same time it's kind of a lottery machine as well. The combination of those factors is what makes it a great gift. A lot of people give lottery tickets for birthdays and such. This is essentially like giving an unlimited lottery ticket. The odds are much lower, of course, but you are technically giving them a chance every 10 minutes at winning a lot of money. So that part's pretty cool, and the fact that you can just monitor your prices and everything at the same time definitely makes it a really unique device overall.